So here I'm going to be unboxing the Yamaha EF2000ISV2. This is kind of their 2000 watt range gas generator, 1600 running watts up to surge up to 2000. Supposed to be very quiet. Could be kind of an alternative pick to the Honda 2200i, both about the same price range, you know, very well-known brand. So let's open up this Yamaha quiet gas generator and see what's in the box. Just ordered this directly off of Amazon. I think the rated weight is about 44 pounds. So a little heavier than, say, like some of the cheaper models, like the Wen I've got there. Okay, so I'm just gonna open up the outer box here, and you know, like many things you open on Amazon, looks like we got a box within a box, so that happens. Well, this is a nice looking box inside. Here, let's just do this. Okay, so here we go. Got the EF2000ISV2. Nice little box, and you can see I'm moving it around okay. I mean, it's not light, but you know, these 2000 watt generators, you can, you know, they don't have wheels on them or anything, but these have a nice handle on them, and you can usually pick them up. A little bit of effort. You can see I'm breathing a little bit here, so yeah, I won't say they're super light, but okay, so we've got a box here, and inside looks like we got a spark plug tool. Not sure what else is in there, but we got the manual, and that's about it. And got some interesting packaging here. Oh, it's like the blown-in foam stuff. Really pack this thing in here. I'll slowly pull this out here. Okay, get that box out. Yeah, I really got this foam on here pretty good. Okay, let's take this off. There we go. Okay. Ooh, I like the color. Let's get this off. Okay. So we've got pull starter there. You can see our AC ports. It's like a choke there. On-off switch. Got some emergency stops. Probably eco mode. Some indicator lights. That's nice. I did read that we do have a fuel gauge on here, which is nice. Let's see the backside here. Ah, there it is. Okay, so this is probably a spark plug and things. Yep. Okay, so spark plug replacement port there. It's gonna need some oil, like most of them. Top cap looks pretty straightforward, and that is the fuel gauge. So it's kind of nice to have just a built-in, nothing fancy, but goes to E to full there. I'll show you how much is in the 1 gallon tank, which that's something that really none of the other generators at this price point have, even the Honda. So okay, so this is the Yamaha EF2000i. Got the manual, spark plug replacer. We'll check that out, and yeah, it's a nice looking machine. You know, I will say it is a little heavier than the Wen, but not by much. They're pretty comparable. So the Wen's a little smaller in size, but both pretty similar there. You can see, yeah. All right. Okay, so we'll play around with these. We'll test them, figure out which one's actually quieter, different loads, different distances away from the generator. But okay, that's the unboxing of the Yamaha Quiet EF2000IS.